guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing a Simplex Truler. So in the photos of the eBay product, it did not have a cover, so just in case that doesn't have a cover, I have this one that is from a fire alarm that broke a few years ago. There's a video of it, me being sad about it. Yeah, so there's the, let's open it, and just in case it doesn't have a cover, we'll use this one. Come on. There we go. It looks like it does not have a cover. So, paper. Yay. And then the device itself, which does not have a cover. This is the Truler that I already have is 4-wire, so it can be free run. This one is 2-wire, so it is not free run. This has to be used with a panel, which I don't mind. So, and I knew it wouldn't come with a cover because of the photo, so easy fix. Now we got another Truler. These wires can be taken out, but yeah. The model is 4903-9429. And since this is not since this is a smart sync device, it runs on 24 volts DC. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.